Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. The season of spring has been beautifully described by a number of poets and writers. And Basant Panchami, or the celebration of spring, is around the corner. This festival is celebrated with great fervour across North India, especially Punjab. So today let's check out an awesome Vasant Panchami special dish, that's Meethe Chawal. Before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications from Desilicious Kitchen. For this preparation, we've taken 1 cup of basmati chawal or long grain rice, which is to be soaked in water for at least an hour, and 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon of kesar or saffron, which is soaked in warm water. And these are assorted dry fruits. So we've taken badam, pista, kishmish or raisins, and kaju or cashew nuts. You can also take dates or any other dry fruits that you like. Also some whole dry spices. This is 2 cardamoms or elaichi, 2 cloves or long, 2 strands of mace or javitri, and a very small piece of nutmeg or jaifal. So this is how we've chopped all the dry fruits, and we've also taken 1/4 cup of ghee. So let's start by boiling around 5 cups of water in a vessel, and to this let's add our saffron or kesar. We've only used kesar, we've not added any saffron essence additionally. Now when this comes to a boil, let's add in the basmati chawal which had been soaked and give it a good mix. And now we need to cook this rice until it's fully cooked, so let's cover and cook this. Our rice is all done. So we have to be careful to cook it fully but not cook until it gets mushy. So we want it fully cooked but not mushy in texture. So ideally this is how it should be. A lot of people think that the chawal will cook along with sugar later on, but that doesn't happen. So you have to be very careful. So we've drained the rice in a colander now and set it aside. In another pan, let's heat some ghee. And let's add in the whole dry spices.
Add in the basmati chawal that we had drained and kept aside. Now immediately add in the sugar and mix very gently, otherwise the rice may start breaking. And now, after mixing for about a minute, let us cover and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, open it. Mix gently again. The sugar has left some water. But now let us add in half of the dry fruits that we had set aside.
And also some whole pieces of coconut. We forgot to mention this in the ingredients, but we add some coconut to garnish. Now let's cover and cook this once again. So we need to cover and cook 2 times. So once after adding the sugar and once after adding the dry fruits. Let's check again. Give this a stir. And we have to cook this until the moisture evaporates from the rice. And you can see how nicely this rice is done. Now let's garnish it with some coconut and dry fruits. So we had actually reserved some of the dry fruits and coconut pieces to garnish in the end. And our Meethe Chawal is all ready to serve. Vasant Panchami is all about celebrating the color yellow. So yellow clothes are worn and sweets and foods yellow in color are prepared during this festival. We really hope you liked our yellow preparation of Meethe Chawal or Zarda. If you did, please try it out and give us a feedback. Wishing you all a very happy Vasant Panchami in advance. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.